is Elsa, and I'm a customer service coordinator here at Alsco. I first heard about Alsco 6 years ago when I was transitioning from working at a correctional facility. I was working the night shifts, and having a family to care for, it was difficult, and I had a friend refer me here, and I've been here ever since. This is a great company to work for because I feel that they have a lot of opportunity for advancement through different methods, educational and within each branch. Managers are always very supportive and always giving opportunity to learn something new. The pay is amazing. The treatment of everyone is equal, and everyone gets the same opportunities. There's benefits that have always been one of the main focus for me, and that has worked out great. I really love this company.